So today it is time to replace the stock skid plate on this TW200. So what we've got is we've got this knockoff brand from Amazon that kind of looks like a Ricochet skid plate, but it's got holes in there. This one is Xitomer, Xitomer. Interestingly enough, it's got these airflow holes that the biggest complaint I think that anybody has about the Ricochet plate is the engine noise that then gets ricocheted back up to the rider. So I'm hoping that these air vents reduce that a little bit and allow some of that noise to get out. I'm not overly worried about it catching. We shouldn't be doing anything so gnarly that that's the case. Also, if it catches and we have to stop and back up and start again, that's okay. So I'm gonna install it. Here we go. Trusty 10 mil. What? Oh my god, seriously? So those rubber things push up against the engine, and you've got this like that thing that hooks on that, and it just pushes up, and then you have one bolt. Well done, Yamaha. This 10, I'm putting it away so I don't lose it. Didn't make it to the toolbox. It's already gone. It's gone forever, probably. What? Alright, so this side's a 14. And this side's a 12. Why? And they give new hardware. So this is a longer bolt for this. So let's see. Whoop. I really do not recommend that you do that. I'm recommending officially don't do that. But it worked for me, so.
Now here you're gonna see I ended up using larger washers than the ones that they provided. The ones they gave didn't quite cover the holes that those screws went into, and they ended up getting sunk in when I was trying it the first time. So I just went through my bag of extras and added some larger washers. Then just go back and tighten up all of the bolts and make sure that everything's snug. Use Loctite probably, and you're all good.
All right. you know, good old knuckle test, because those are the same as rocks and, you know, casing tree roots and stuff, right? It's like the same. Check that out. That looks pretty good.